Let's talk about a very important scenario that maybe some of you are struggling with. And this is the scenario where the all-time highs and lows are printed. And the rules say that a new imbalance is automatically confirmed once it makes a high and consolidates away. But we also have many other odds enhancers that we have to use in order to validate and score a level, as seen in the lessons in how to score a level. So we need at least 2-to-1 imbalance, and same applies after breaking of the basing. We need ideally 3-to-1 profit margin. The profit margin here is tricky because it could really be the imbalance created by the departure of that new level, okay? Because there is no opposing area to measure it from, okay? We need consolidation away with one full candle as in any other level. We also have to have a good base. We need to stay away from wiki bases or too many candles at the base. And this is a very important fact as well. We need to watch candle closes on monthly or weekly charts because at those areas the big fishes love to fish. Okay, so we need candle closes and all that for higher probability, and we'll see some examples. Let me take a look at the euro dollar. Okay, it started here in 1992, and then as you can see here, price made a lower low here, and after making a lower low, there was nothing. I mean, there's nothing here to the left. The euro didn't exist. So if we don't have anything here, whatever new imbalances that are created will be considered brand new supply because there's nothing to remove, and this is a very important rule. Okay, so this area over here would be supply. As you can see, it dropped, and then we have 2 ERC candles, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 2-to-1 imbalance, 3-to-1 profit margin more, and also we closed underneath previous low. So that makes that level good. Okay, look at this one. This is a brand new area of supply. Okay, but that area did not create 2-to-1 imbalance, did not close underneath that low, so we stay away from that area, okay, as per the rules. So as you can see, the rules are playing out there, so let's continue. Now we have a descending trend line. Okay, we've got a descending trend line connecting the latest, well, it's not that one, the latest two peaks. So the rules say that you can't trade this area because that area over there, okay, has been, we've got that area there, we've got one candle, one full candle closed above the trend line, so this area is negated as per the rules. As you can see, the trend line rule saves us from a loss there. When you look at this level, you see, whoa, this is a great departure. Okay, incredible. I'm gonna short there. Well, didn't work. The rule prevented us from doing that, taking that loss. So now price continues to drop, and we are now describing the all-time lows and highs. So this is the all-time low again, okay, over here. So as you can see now, price drops, and then when it drops, it consolidates away from one candle, and it provides another more than 2-to-1. This is a 2-to-1 imbalance, as you can see here, and price retraced all the way back there, and then dropped like a rock because the trend was clearly down on the monthly chart now. Okay, so now we've got several CPs, 1 CP, 2 CPs, 3 CPs, and we draw the trend line. Okay, so now brand new imbalance created while long on the monthly. Okay, it couldn't make a lower low there. Okay, so we want now price to drop underneath that level, and we want that to close underneath, and that happened there. This is the fourth point we were talking about here. Okay, watch candle close on the monthly and the weekly charts and all that, because if it doesn't, like here, as you can see here, it couldn't, the imbalance could not do that, so this level wouldn't work. Okay, I missed that one. I was not going through this fifth rule, sorry. Let me do this. More nuances, but so here price dropped and it couldn't close, So that is a signal that this level shouldn't be taken. Okay, there. Now price continues to drop and drop and then drops, and it manages to close with this candle. There was a level there on the monthly there, Marubozu, okay, but not 2 to 1. Okay, it consolidated away. Price stood there for 3 months, overshotted, and then dropped down. Okay, so we wait for confirmation because we don't have the rules complying there. We need consolidation away with a candle. We need a 2 to 1 imbalance, etc., etc. But that didn't happen there. We wait for confirmation. Probably that was a daily while long, while short there. We don't know. I'm not going into that detail. I'm talking about the all-time lows and all that. So now that we have all this, price continues to drop, creates a brand new imbalance here, as you can see, drops. And then when you see here, okay, that area here would be validated as a new area of supply. Okay, once price drops down over here, it creates a 2 to 1. Now price couldn't rally there. It creates another one, and then when it drops, now it is closing. As you can see, it is closing underneath the monthly. Closing, 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 closing. All-time lows, drops, close. Okay, as you can see here. That one closes, closes, and then this one, big base. Sorry, sort of almost dodgy. That's not a good signal, and we would have the trend line like that. Okay, as you can see, this level did not dropped, and it broke the 2 to 1 and the profit margin rule, and no consolidation away. So that level is not good. Also, the base rule is broken. We also have to look at that. As you can see, very long tail there. That means that there is a lot of buyers and sellers there after a big drop in price on the euro. So price drops there, and then since it did close, but it didn't comply, it didn't fulfill these rules, then it is not valid. What happens? We've got a while long there scenario on the monthly. Trendline breaks, creates a brand new area of demand, and then price retraces all the way down and then rallies again. Okay, so this is what we do when we don't have any opposing area to lean on in order to calculate our target and validate our new imbalances. So a new imbalance needs all this. Okay, 2 to 1 closing on, at least if this is an all-time low, wait for the monthly to close. Wait, the trades will happen, as you can see. You just have to be patient. The trades will happen. So the breakout traders will try to trade there, and then the institutions are lurking in the dark. They are waiting for those breakout traders that are filling their buy orders, and then price rallies. And you stay, well, your eyes are like, I don't know, what happened there? It was a valid short. So you have to look at the closes and all that. This is very important on those scenarios. Okay, and this is how it work. Okay, hope this is much clearer now. Have a great day. Bye bye.